Hi guys, today we're gonna make this Rooh Afza slushy, one of my childhood favorite thing. In a mason jar, take 2 tablespoons of lime juice, half a cup Rooh Afza, 2.5 cup of water, one-fourth teaspoon of black salt. Mix really well. We're gonna put this in the freezer, and every 30 minutes you're gonna take it out and shake it really well. Here we go guys, our slushy is ready. Mine took about 4 hours. Please make the way I made it. I'm pretty sure you won't be disappointed and you're gonna love this. And hit that like button, subscribe for more future videos, and do follow my Instagram page. You can enjoy this as is or put some extra Rooh Afza and sip away. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.